going guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to repair a dent in a plastic bumper. So I'll get this stripped down and then what I'll do is apply heat round about this area here where the damage is, and then we'll make that more pliable and then we'll start to work on it and see if we can pull it back into some sort of shape. Right, I start off here by using the heat gun. Now what I'll do is I'll apply the heat in the damaged area for a few moments, and then what I'll do is I'll start to manoeuvre the heat gun all around so that I don't damage the paint. Now after a few moments or so you'll start to feel that the rigidity of the plastic won't be as hard. You'll feel everything starting to soften up. Now what you keep applying heat, and then at that moment you can then start to pull on the dents and push on the dents and bring everything slowly but surely back into shape. Pretty much you just need to have a little bit of patience. Just heat it up a little bit. You can even use some tools if you've got some hard dents that are quite firm. You can use a shifting spanner or any flat surface, whatever you have available, to push down on the dent to bring it back into shape. And on this part of the bumper there was quite a significant dent. So the same again, I just went all around the dented part methodically using the heat gun until I felt that the plastic was getting a little bit warm, and then proceeded to push out the dent. So as you can see, just by simply heating up the plastic and massaging it, you can actually push everything back into the original position, the original moulding. It's obviously got a memory, so it just goes back into place. So I've got a little high spot there sticking out and another low spot here. So what I'll do now is just heat this up again, a few minutes, and then I'll push out from the back, and then you'll see this dent come away, and then I'll push this one inwards. So as you can see, the dent's away. All I need to do now is stitch the bumper back together. So I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks very much. Take care.